Wagwan YouTube.
And we're back with the next one. So today we'll be doing a one-pot healthy vegan vegetarian. And if you're just a regular meat eater, you can add meat as well. But I'm starting like my healthy eating diet all over again. So I'm going to But anyways, I'm going to show you how easy. It's like 15 minutes, one per recipe. When all persons who don't like wash plate like myself, this is something you're going to love. So this is a one-pot creamy tomato pasta recipe. These are two-pot, these are one-pot.
That now use, that this way I use.
So yeah, let's just get right into it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so in this we have scallion. Over here so we have thyme. In this we have onion. In this we have onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, and garlic. This is cheese. This is 2 tin of tomato sauce, 1 tin of coconut milk. We may use a next one. This is Chinese sauce. We have what is vegetable stock. We have water, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, good old Maggi, can't leave out Maggi. 2 bouillon cube, Maggi again. What kind of macaroni is this? Twist?
It legit just like it.
You could have tell me your backside. 2 pack of twist macaroni and some coconut oil.
And ketchup.
And ketchup. So Shadika go bring you through the steps of what is what, because this is not my scene. Cooking is my thing, but not vegan food. So Shadika go show you what I go on right here. So right now, so over to me, Shadika.
Okay, so our pot is on at about, it's low medium, and first we're just putting some little oil in the pot. It's about probably, I'm freehanding everything. It's about, let's see, 2-3 tablespoons, because I'm making a big pot from some orange belly long.
That's on my belly.
Yes, see my boss, I'm gonna feed him, so I'm gonna feed him good. Alright, so get this hot, heat it everything, put it all around. But the pot was already heated, so I'm just gonna put in the seasoning already. Alright, get this already.
So we are putting first.
So I'm gonna put in this bowl of the loveliness with the garlic. Hold on there. So I'm gonna put in
love dash with my seasoning.
It don't clean, you know, like clean up my things. So I'm gonna put in the garlic, onion, sweet pepper, the hot pepper in it. So make it kind of, we call it reduce, and season the oil. We're clean up more things there. No,
come on. Come on.
No, I'm not the method.
So you're going to turn up this for the whole night.
Alright. Hot.
You want to burn me up, you know?
So that's hot. Boom!
People who surprise me, you know, hear or see me in any more videos.
Let me get this down even lower.
Don't have to fire now, Shadika.
You see it low. So now, hey, bad mind for take a back seat. You have to clean up the things then. What was it? It's already cooked. You don't need it.
As me say, people, if she pies with me,
I think this is the first time I'm giving this. I already claimed that this is the first time.
The first time you
I always make this, so I understand it's the first time.
You have never given me this before.
You don't remember. But anyways, so after that, straight into soy sauce. So this is going to be about 2 tablespoons worth of it. A little bit. That's good.
He's out. Niceness.
You're gonna mix it up. Get the
color. Wonder if we can go down the vegan or vegetarian
I wasn't one, I want Marga as hell.
Well, Marga no more.
But yeah, people, if you want to add meat to it or any kind of like vegetables to it, you would add it now. So if you guys want to add like chicken, you'd add the chicken now. If you want to add eggplant, you would add it now and have it cooked down with this. You probably add some more water to have it steam. Mushrooms, eggplant, probably, I don't know if cabbage will go well with this, it's pasta, but chicken.
Cabbage go with everything at Jamaica this.
Chicken, you put it in now and put a little probably water in it, make it steam down for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how high your heat is. But since we're just doing straight cream tomato pasta, we're going in with the tomato sauce now.
Tomato sauce.
Yeah.
See
so
there?
right here. So we got 1 can. Ready? Easy as that. It's 1 can.
Looks like ketchup.
I mean, you can use tomato paste and diced or chopped tomatoes, but I prefer tomato sauce and just use tomato ketchup as like a tomato paste substitute. Alright. You know Jamaicans do, you know, you add a little water to wash out the thing. Can't make no go to waste. So I got a little
Swish.
yes, I can 2 of them, swish. I know I can't make no go to waste, I clean it out. That's just awesome. Even if you don't need it.
So after this, what is next?
After this, we're putting the pasta. It's a fairly quick recipe, so it takes no time. I'm going to mix it around.
And the vegetable broth, me think could have done there after.
No, the pasta, then we're adding that afterwards.
Oh.
Yep. Mix it around. Oh, it smells good already.
How fine you.
You could add the seasoning in here now. But sometimes it's like it boil out before, but you know.
You know, smell bad, people.
Smells
Nah,
good.
but like, you know, smell bad.
So I know, should I season it up before or after when I put it? I'm going to season it up now.
Season it up before, man.
I'm going to season up now.
The
So,
pasta them get an extra kick.
some sauce now.
Go on, start.
So we're going to season up our sauce now. Starting with the all-purpose. And everything is just, you know, eyeballing. So I'm adding a little bit. I'm adding my black pepper. I love me some black pepper.
That's how you.
Oh, that's good. Garlic. Although we know I had the fresh garlic, I always put a little powder in it as a supplement to the taste and the flavors. Yes. Onion powder.
The color look rich though.
Yes, we know maybe that's sir. A milk.
You should have box me. Naturally, leaving face alone.
Alright, and then we're gonna add in 2 lovely bouillon cubes, vegetable bouillon cubes. Yes.
Who made them again? Maggie, no?
And for all the persons then who have seen me,
video we do, Maggie I get some free promotion.
like you literally asked me,
Maggie,
what was it?
Maggie, DM us now please. Maggie. See what time I call her no name?
Like I was saying before you interrupted me.
My apologies, chef.
Yes, for all the person who see me around enough time, see me with my fingernail on my claw, ask me if I sit down, I sit down at home and not do nothing. This is how you cook with them and make use of them. But you know that people feel say people are handicapped after this, or you do anything. Cook same way.
Cook with them, yeah, mama.
I cook and wash, I organize, I clean, I
You
wash
wash with them?
Yes, sir. Alright, so it's that liquor. I said the liquor.
The flavor kick up, you know?
So right now we're gonna add in the pastas.
Remind the people what kind of pasta we will be using.
We're using spiral pasta, Eve.
Link up.
Don't embarrass me no fingernails.
That's too bad.
I have a cure. Simple.
People at this moment in time, if you're new to the channel, please to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I want to make it a little spicy for you guys, so there's a tricolor as well. Yeah. No. We're not doing the mistake this 2 times. Here.
And for our original subbies,
Yeah.
please leave a like. Tell us what kind of videos you would like to see.
It's original, everybody knows. Oh, I forgot to add the ketchup sauce.
Tell the people what this dish is called again.
So this is creamy tomato pasta, 1 pot.
Yes, hear that, people?
1 pot.
It sounds tosh.
1 pot. So you can add any milk you would want. As I said, this is going to be a vegetarian, vegan friendly recipe. So we're using non-dairy milk, because this is coconut milk, my favorite substitute to use in cooking. Almond is for cereal for me. I don't want to use it when I'm cooking.
Okay. Okay, mom. Using all of that stock.
All of it.
Okay, now.
So this is supposed to equate to about 1 cup. So 1 cup vegetable stuff. Let me use SpongeBob.
SpongeBob for play.
And then
SpongeBob is entertainment.
you want to mix that up. Look at that lovely next. We're gonna mix that up.
We're going there after this.
I'm gonna add a little water. But this is why we
You
probably
sure this one water? Cause this don't look like it one.
no man, this one water it's not covered, so you know that for sure. You could have had we can add probably a half more coconut milk to be honest. I usually use 2 things.
Okay.
But this is because the thing look really big. I've never used those things before. I always use Grace.
So it's a lot of coconut milk.
Yeah.
So you don't need the second thing.
I'm not sure. I think it could be used a half.
Okay.
Just half more. Like, as I said, I doubled it.
So what is going to happen after this?
We need to reduce. I'll make it cook.
Okay. So nothing else will be added, no salt.
I'll be adding the ketchup from now though, because I forgot to add it.
Okay. So how much ketchup you use? Half cup or little bit less than that?
I use it like tomato paste, so it would be about
a couple spoon that.
maybe like about 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
3 nice tablespoons. 3 to 4 tablespoons.
Shadika, if you make me like this man, I go turn vegetarian in the morning.
Well, let's see. I probably put in this reaction.
Yeah, so people, I will be the judge of what this dish tastes like. Now I'm go bias. I will not be biased.
So it's time to turn on the stove. I mean, play no more.
Yeah, but
Oh, Bob said.
me no man, see it there? Turn off the fire. See it there? You that sweet thing gas done. Shadika turn off the fire. So if you see, I never joke me I make people in a one of the cooking video when I was telling you guys that
The ramen video, guys.
yeah, the ramen
We
video.
will leave it as a suggestion after this video finish. Go and watch it if you haven't.
So we will leave a link to all our cooking videos in the description box.
And at the end credits. So
And
stay
yeah,
tuned.
the end credit. So if you never see them video, then we will have the opportunity to see them and see Shadika lock off
What you just call me?
the fire.
What you just call me?
Huh?
What you just call me?
Shadika.
Mr. Shanika.
How name so?
That's me want to know. That is what me want to know.
Hey!
That's what me want to know.
He's a wicked brute. You see how she do my people? Alright, so you're gonna leave it up like this or you're not gonna turn it down?
I'm debating. Huh?
You're gonna turn it down?
Yeah, but I'm debating if I need to add one more coconut milk. What do you think?
Make it reduce little and see how it look. But you know, it
look
looks
good.
okay, yeah. Yes, people, so after that beating, Shadika cover the pot and it will reduce, and when
10 minutes and come back and check.
yeah, when I warm back the pot, we will return.
But this needs more now because it needs to be covered.
Put the coconut milk in there then.
I'll add it as I go along because definitely this needs more. The fact that everything isn't covered, it has to boil and reduce and get thick.
Okay, like yourself. Okay, so be right back, guys. Alright, people, so we went in and we put in some scallion in there. We put a little, well, we put one more can of tomato sauce.
Yeah, it needed it. And I add like probably a half a cup more of the coconut milk, and you're adding more seasoning because
more of the seasonings that you saw.
I'm used to doing it on a smaller scale just for 2 persons. So I was a bit stingy with my seasoning. I was doing it like I was seasoning for a 2-part.
And no, guys, there is no curry in it. It looks curry-ish on camera, but it's not.
It don't look curry. It look nice, like how it's supposed to.
No, I said on camera. It looks
Alright,
curry-ish
so
on camera.
it needs to boil a little bit more, but I'm going to do a taste test to make sure that the flavor is right. Just keep them curry sauce. A little bit near them. Jesus.
What it is?
It's a different flavor actually. This can give it a different flavor. So, I mean, if you want it how I originally cooked it, Orion suggested the scallion, so I decided to go with it. But how I usually eat is without any scallion, so and it tastes just great. But it's still good. Still good.
So stop eating out the raw pasta. Make it boil down. Get out. I mean, I feel like the bad people.
You want more ketchup?
Alright, so as Shadika put in the ketchup, I will bring you guys back when it's done. So yeah, see you soon.
So you guys can add cheese if you like. If you're doing it straight vegan, you know, you can probably use nutritional yeast, or you can just omit it altogether. The first 2 times I was doing it, or the first time I was doing it, I don't think I added cheese. Like after the second and third time, then I started, you know, feeling hype and, you know, flavoristic, and so I add cheese to it. So yeah, it's optional. Everything in this is optional except for the pasta and the tomato.